Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by fan Mapara Ikama about
Tibos, thanks for Kaizer Chiefs supporters. Uzo supporter Mapagania, but discipline. And ngicela ukubashayela ihlombe. Kaizer Chiefs ingivulele linye page namhlanje discipline. Izosupporta amabhakaniya njengoba ubona ke labantu basePitori kuthiwa basemahlanyeni bahlanya basisebha kuyimali so mawubhekile nje abantu abadlali banama-athletes ngiphethe umbokazi mamela nje kona manje bahlanye ngempela Vescopis bahlanyeni njengamanje ke thina siphethe umbokazi TLB lo mfana lo obamba oshalulile ababonakalanga egroundini so Pirates thanks a lot Pirates ukushaya Sundowns bebethi abashayeki sibashayile thanks Makhosi siyabonga kakhulu ukusupporta Sundowns hambani nothola amaphilisi Man of the match mngane yami man of the match yami hayi TLB mfowethu TLB iThithibos ngibaleka amahlanye afuna ukushaya manje